KevG weather overview. The weather turning out to be better than expected for early this week. If we look at the midday satellite picture, you see that high pressure is in control. We have lots of sunshine. We have winds coming from an easterly direction, and that's in association with a high pressure to our north, and then you have a tropical storm, actually, Arthur, and that's off the coast. That's causing the winds to be a bit elevated today, but between yesterday and today, we really have caught a break. We have been dodging these two storm systems. One was over the Midwest, and the other was the aforementioned Arthur. And neither one of them made any progress. In fact, high pressure has asserted itself, and it's going to continue to do so. And we're looking at a pretty decent week. I think Memorial Day is going to be good. Not too warm, but not anything crazy in terms of the overall weather is concerned. I think we're looking at low to mid 70s for the majority of this coming week. And when you look at the rainfall totals over the next 7 days from the Weather Prediction Center, I mean, the bulk of the rain is off to our south over the Carolinas and the southern mid-Atlantic states. We are bone dry up here. I think any chance at measurable precipitation will come probably late Friday into Saturday, maybe lingering into part of Saturday afternoon along the coast. But that's basically it. This is from the Weather Prediction Center over the next 7 days, showing you that the area is due to get less than an inch of rain over the next 7 days. So that is good news as we go into the holiday weekend, and we are looking at a pretty favorable weather pattern for outdoor fun. And when we look at the situation off of the weather models, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits, you got the tropical storm Arthur well out at sea. You have a system that's been plaguing the Midwest with a lot of rain, but that's not going to be able to make any progress in our neck of the woods because this high pressure is building down from Canada. And as we go into Wednesday, it's just more of the same. Lots of sunshine, maybe a bit breezy, but temperatures holding their own for this time of year, basically where we should be. And then that chance of rain sneaks in Friday night into Saturday, but this doesn't really look too impressive at all. I think there are some areas that are going to remain dry through the entire weekend as this sort of meanders its way through the forecast area. And maybe on the coast Saturday afternoon, we're looking at some lingering clouds and some showers around. But this is not going to really do any sort of harm to the weekend weather picture for the most part. It's going to be a very pleasant Memorial Day weekend as this low pressure, this weak area of low pressure kind of gets stuck out at sea, but it's not bothering us. And here we are into Monday, and we just have a nice weather pattern where the temperatures are going to be seasonable. And if we look at the temperature profile off of my National Weather Service grid here, this is for late in the week. You can see the temperatures are low to mid 70s, and as we go through the weekend, much of the same with the temperatures at seasonable levels, 74 on Saturday. In some areas, that may be a little bit rough because there may be lingering cloud cover for the coastal areas, but inland could easily see mid 70s. So not a bad looking Memorial Day weekend. It looks like temperatures should be where they ordinarily would be this time of year, and pretty pleasant weather with not a lot of precipitation to speak of over the next 7 days.